Plant them deep enough so the frost doesn't reach, but shallow enough to sprout quickly.
Like this, Father.
You must place the bulb facing upwards, like this, so it can reach the sun.
Ah, I see. And how deep should it be?
If we get this done before sundown, we can start planting tomorrow.
Where should I put this one?
Right here next to the mums. It looks wonderful.
This year's harvest is the best we've had in a decade. You agree? You might be right, Bob. Especially these northern spies. They look
Here's the butter, Grandma.
It's the herbs from the garden makes all the difference. I haven't had stew this good in years, truly.
Here is the last plate. Thank you, dear. We make a good team.
See how the red comes through right there?